I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to unsend an email right after you send it on your iPhone in the Mail app.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
Now first we're going to have to send an email. Once we tap the new message icon and an email pops up, just put in test here and test again. And then before we click send, what you're going to have to know about this is that you need to unsend your message very quickly after you press the send button. If you click send and realize very quickly that you made a mistake, this is your opportunity to be able to click unsend. So once I click send here, take a look at the very bottom in the middle. It has an undo send option. You have this option for a few seconds here, so I'm going to click on that, and then it will pull the email right back up so I can make any changes that are necessary. Now you can either edit this or delete it, and the options, just to delete it, you would click cancel. Now obviously you have to be very quick to hit the undo send, so if you'd like to change that option, we can do that in the settings. So let's go home, go to our settings, scroll all the way down to our apps, and then select the Mail app. Then we will scroll down and find the undo send option, which is all the way at the bottom. We'll tap that. Normally you have 10 seconds, but we'd probably like 30 seconds, so we'll select that. And now you're all set.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.